Ramogi ka odhi nyime gi weche manyien ma pod wan godo Ramogi TV. Wayudo ni iye ma ohiu e kind nyithindo manyiri e kaunti ma Meru yange ni medo kwan rowere manigi kute mag ayaki. Kalore kod Laktar Ruth Masha, osiptal mar Matwati sub county ema otelo ne weche mag iye ma ohiu Kenya mangima. Omedo ni 60% mag rowere magamo iye gamo kute mag ayaki koseyo timbe kaka bembo kod keny momondo ma nyayo weche landruok kute mag ayaki.
In January, we had 63 mothers, with one being in the age bracket of 10 to 14. In February, we had that two in the age bracket of 10 to 14. In March, we had 29. In April, we had 24. In May, we had 50. In June, we had 66, with 4 in the age bracket of 10 to 14. In July, we had 51. In July, after verifying the data, we were concerned as a facility, and then we thought, how can we help the community? What is really triggering this increasing number day in, day out? And we started an Igembe North initiative, whereby we did a sensitization work.
We also looked at the data to find out where the location those babies are coming from, and we realized that most of the children are coming from this region where we are, and then we also realized that they also come to this particular hospital. So the reason why we are here today is to look at how we can have a solution with the hospital and the catchment area, working with the communities. We did have a meeting with the jury in Cheke. We have actually sensitized them and put them together at what we call the community of practice, because we are understanding that the challenge of adolescent pregnancy in this region has to do with culture.